Hey guys, Dave Jr. with Wellbuilt Equipment. Don't forget to check us out on the web, wellbuiltequipment.com. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and comment in the comment section down below. Today we're getting down and dirty with Dave on pothole protection and explain to you guys exactly what pothole guards are, what they do, and why they're on your piece of equipment. So for those of you who don't know, pothole guards or pothole protection systems are the pieces of metal that flip down when you raise a scissor lift up in the air for use on concrete slabs. So I'm going to go ahead and raise this up. You guys can see those pop down, and we'll explain what they do. So the whole idea of the pothole protection system is that if one of the wheels loses contact with the ground on your machine, you're still able to safely lower the operator or user of the piece of equipment back down without the machine tipping over. Let's say that is you're on uneven surface, you drive into a drainage ditch, start to go off of a dock, something like that. The whole concept is that those metal pieces land on the ground, your wheel may be off the ground, but now you can lower yourself down safely. Prior to 1996, that wasn't even a requirement on scissor lifts. A lot of the machines didn't have them and had huge ground clearance. Now every slab scissor lift made has pothole protection devices on them. There's limit switches attached to them. When you go up in the air, it activates those limit switches, lets the computer or relay system on the machine know that those are actually down in place, and allows you to drive. You can go ahead and lower it back down. You can watch them disappear. And they're tucked back up. Alright, so now you guys are up to speed on pothole protection.